What's going on out there, everybody? Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. How's everybody weekend going? Okay. All right, guys, when I get offline, I gotta go read this article, and I will be calling Motor Biscuit and telling them to take this crap down, because it is not the case. You should avoid. No, the only problem, now, there are one major flaw on some of the Durangos, 2018, to be exact. It's just a fluke by the engineer. They routed the damn tubes. Watch this video right here when I upload this.
So, this is the one. This is the Durango with the leak. I want y'all to look at something real close. Let me get you as much light as possible. Okay. Now you see this. You see this. That is a hose clamp. You see this line right here. That hose. This line. Let me. Oh my goodness, man. This line has been rubbing on this clamp and has eaten into it. Okay, I can literally feel on the top of this damn thing, and this is where my coolant leak is coming from. Right, look, it's just rubbing on. Oh my freaking goodness, guys. Oh. So I'll pay attention to the hose clamp and the hose. Okay, now this leak is getting worse, but I want to show y'all something. That hose go. Look, guys, this is part of the heater hose that go. Remember the video? Watch this video right here. Remember that video I did how it's time to quit when you start having to make repairs like this? This hose go all the way under here, through here, through here. Through here, so it's under the tank, so it's under there, under the frame. Oh my goodness, under the frame some more. What does it lead out to? Oh my god, it comes out on this end and then goes into the rear heater unit. Oh my freaking, all for coolant is needed to go to the rear to apply for rear heat.
They routed the right here. They routed the tubes, coolant tubes that go to the rear unit. They routed it above the transmission, and they put the clamps in the wrong spot. So the clamps eat through the coolant and cause a coolant leak. And it costs a lot of money to get that fixed, because technically everything got to come down to fix it. So I can imagine shops out there charging an arm and a leg. All right, I'll deal with them later. All right, I don't even like them no more. Matter of fact, get off my damn computer. All right, where was I? I went over there. Okay. Yeah. I have an Autel scan too, no code. Should I have a TCM update? No. Is your Autel able to read? Darkman got one of those too, I think. Now, mind you guys, most of the stuff now, the PCM and the TCM functions are in one module called a PCM. Can your Autel go directly to the TCM on a car equipped with an A? All right, but yes, if there's no code, the computer saw no problem. Now, I'm not saying there was code. There should be codes. I'm saying you should check for codes. Okay, yeah, that's all I was saying. But yeah, man, and get it updated. That's not gonna change, man. I still have yet to upload this video. Guys, if your car over 100,000, 200,000 miles, flashing the module, I mean, your car already broke in, set in. All these flash updates was for little bitty things to address a perfectly or a non-worn out engine or transmission. Okay? An engine that's got 200,000 miles, getting a flash for a hesitation when start up, that flash is not going to help that car. That car already set in its ways. The engine is already, I'm comfortable, dog. I don't care what you tell me to do. I'm only doing this. So, and on top of that, it's risky. I got to talk about that in that video, so I don't want to do it now. Can your Autel see the transmission computer? Good question. Yes. One of those none for sure answers. Oh, go on. I ain't going to even show this comment. X-Man, we're not going to do this. Chris Carr Channel. What is going on, my friend? Chris Carr Channel. All right. I don't think I've ever called that name out, but hello to you, my dude. How you doing? Thanks for watching. Your name implies that you have a channel. If you do, Say so. Speak up. Speak out. All right, we support around here over on Online Mechanic Tips. So let's get to know each other, man. Thanks for jumping on, though. All right, I am winding down, guys. I have an 18 Durango. Hello. That's not fair, man. You a dealer guy. What problems are you gonna have? All right. I mean, come on, man. Chris, give me a break, man. Yes, Durango's. I don't know what that article about. All right, I'm going over there and call the CEO of Motor Biscuit and telling them to remove that piece of news. Okay. Yes, that's not right. I do dumb breaks all around on my dart. Hate them. It can be hectic. Yes, it can, and I can also reset. Oh, that's what's up. All right, if you ain't got no codes, your computer see no problem. So proceed with your transmission service and see what happens. Man, when that nag first came out, me personally, JT was one of the first techs in the land to overhaul one. Complete overhaul. They sent our dealership the complete overhaul kit. That was around the time when water was getting into the transmission and getting into the transmission through the dipstick tube. All right. And it was when water mixed with those seals in that transmission fluid, all the seals swell up. So they sent word to my dealer, put your best guy on this. At that time, I was the best guy, I guess. So yeah, I scattered that crap all over the whole table. And I went through that whole transmission, seal by seal by seal, gear by gear by gear, changing every freaking seal on every clutch pack, on everything. The goal was to make sure there was no water nowhere, because the slightest amount of water could reinfect the transmission and swell up everything. And it's back to square one. And the fix was to re-put another grommet on the dipstick so water couldn't get in it. The water was coming from the freaking, y'all know the older cars had a drain tube, AC drain tube coming off the evaporator. All right. It's got a little hose that angle down and go straight down. So when your evaporator spitting out condensation, that water was making its way into the transmission. So I had to re-gut that transmission. That was the first transmission I ever did. Every freaking, they's like, don't cheat. They called me personally. You Mr. JohnnieRayThomas? Yeah. All right. I've heard you've been tasked to do this. I want to make something perfectly clear. I know it's easy to cheat. I used to be a tech. Well, let me make you aware of something. If you miss or skip any clutches or seal, you're going to have to go back into it because it's not going to be right. All right. So once I got that call, I did everything right. It took me a whole day and a half, but I did everything right. Put it back in. Enough. Done. Okay. Yes, but my point was nobody's building those anymore. So you better do one of these and do your service and hope for the best, my dude. All right, I gotta go, man. Where am I at?